Hi. Hello and welcome to the Fall in Love with Ukulele Challenge. The goal of this challenge is to try and learn how to play the most beautiful love songs. If you're absolutely new to playing ukulele, I recommend you go through the 30-day uke challenge first. That will prepare you to do the other challenges like this one. Today we are starting off with a really easy song. This is Love Me Tender. Grab your uke, get ready, let's do it. We will be taking this song line by line because it is pretty simple. I would like for you to watch the first time and then we do it together the second time. This process helps activate your mirror neurons and it helps you to learn. Do all of these chords if you have your hand pivoted to the top. So you're going to have your index finger resting up by the headstock, and that's going to help you have the fingers come up from the top of the ukulele, so that when you go to chords from C to D7, you see how easy that transition is because my hand is up here. Instead, if I was over here, when I go to switch to D7, it shifts my ukulele and it kind of makes me lose my balance. So have the ukulele resting on the top over here when you do it. And I'm doing an island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But if the island strum is too complicated, then just do down strums like this. Let me show you. So you could definitely make this work for you. All right, let's take it. Beginning, play along with me no matter what instrument you're playing. 2, ready, go. Stay on C. Now for the next part, we go from, keep your hand up here, C, 2 beats, E7, 2 beats. If E7 is challenging you, it means that your hand is not all the way to the top. So pivot, and then the fingers should fall from the top. So E7, A minor with the middle finger. And as you're playing A minor, I want you to position yourself for the switch to C7. So always be thinking about the next chord. So we have A minor, C7. Then, you know where you were at A minor right now, you're gonna go back there for F. And the one challenging chord in this whole song is F minor. Bring the hand back up all the way to the top and play like this. Watch me play this the first time. 1, 2, ready, That's challenging because we only have 2 beats. So if that's really challenging for you, then do 1 strum and switch. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. And from F minor to C, leave the pinky there, let it do the work for you. So let's do that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. If you're following the island strum and this section, it changes a little bit, so it would be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So for my more advanced players, let's do the down, down, up one. I'm doing it on Barry, but again, we will sound good together. Here we go. 1, 2, slowly go. If mistake, don't let that stop you. Just go to the next chord and recover from it. Maybe some of you caught I made a mistake and I just kept going. So just keep going. Here we go. 1, 2, again, go. That's so beautiful. Let's take it from the top. So I completely butchered that section, but kept going. So keep going always. Let's do it again. Here we go. 2, ready, go. Look ahead. Switch fast. We have 2 parts left in this song, one that is different and one that it repeats what we've already done. So we only need to learn that third line. It's the third line, right? Yeah, we only need to learn the third line and we'll be done. C, A7. I want you to look up real quick and notice that I'm carrying the ukulele here with my index finger, which makes it easy for me to move around. Now when I go to D7, I'm using my middle and ring. And then that leaves the index finger free to move to G7. So not only are we playing chords, we're also thinking like, how can I set my hand up for the next one? And how can I move on to the next one gracefully? So as you look at songs, now I want you thinking, what is my strategy here? Which finger can I use to move there seamlessly? So we have C with the ring, A7 with the index, D7 with middle and ring, G7, and then slide. So it doesn't matter which one you're playing. Let's do that part. 1, 2, ready, go. One, 2, ready, go. Keep going, keep going. Remember, you can just do down strum. This is totally okay. You know this part already? 2, ready, go. You will now have all the tools that you need to play the whole song. So let's try a full play along. Even if there are parts where you stumble, that's okay. I recommend that you kind of continue strumming even if you're not moving chords through those parts. Here we go, beginning. Okay, spend some time memorizing this one because the best learning happens when you're memorizing the chords and memorizing the melody. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!